In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter in Slack without sending your message. If you've ever tried to write a longer message in Slack, you've probably hit the enter key expecting to move to a new line, only to accidentally send an unfinished thought. It can be a little frustrating, especially in busy channels or professional workspaces. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple keyboard shortcut that lets you add line breaks and format your message neatly, without sending it too early. First, go ahead and open Slack on your computer. This works the same whether you're using the desktop app or Slack in a web browser, as long as you're on a computer with a keyboard. Once Slack is open, choose any conversation where you want to type your message. This could be a direct message with a colleague, a group chat, or a channel. Click into the message field at the bottom of the screen so your cursor is active and ready for typing. Now, start typing out your message as you normally would. Let's say you want to write multiple lines, maybe a short intro, then a list of items or separate paragraphs for clarity. Instead of pressing the enter key by itself when you want to move to a new line, you're going to hold down the shift key on your keyboard and then press enter. So the shortcut you need to remember is shift plus enter. When you press shift and enter together, Slack will insert a line break, but it will not send your message. You'll see your text move down to a new line, and you can keep typing as much as you want. You can repeat shift plus enter every time you need a new line or a new paragraph. Only when you're completely happy with your message should you send it. To actually send the message, press enter on its own without holding shift. Alternatively, you can also click the send icon in the message box if you prefer using your mouse. A quick tip: if you're unsure whether your message will send or just move to a new line, take a second to check that you're holding down the shift key before pressing enter. With a bit of practice, this will become second nature, and you'll be able to format clean multi-line messages in Slack without worrying about sending them too soon.